another macro you could you can from a crate that fixes that issue. Can't remember the name of it at the moment though. It's cool. That's cool to know that you can do something with it though. Okay. Let's get out of that. Actually, let's do a get status. Deleted. Ooh. We need to do a dot get ignore file, and we want to we don't care about the target, and we don't care about the anything that has to do with the lock file. We don't care about that. What else do we not care about? That should be it, right? Yes, I think so. So get add dot get ignore get commit dash m target folder. Target folder is the place where Rust compiles everything. Like it puts all the compilation files in there, so you can just remove it. So like VIFM. If you go in here, you go into release, you can see the finger release builds. I guess we didn't run a release, did we? Hold on. Cargo clean. Cargo clean removes the target folder. So cargo build. What is it? Dash release. Yeah. Okay. Found it. It's the paste crate. Well, that's cool. I'm not sure that it's worth having a dependency. Paste. I do want to look at it though. Paste crate. Is it just called paste? What the shit is this crap? I think I put crate instead of crates. Yeah. Macros for all your token pasting needs. I love it. Right, but it's still really cool. Like if I was to do something like really complex, this may Oh, that's pretty damn useful. That's pretty dang useful, man. Thanks for showing me that. I actually have some uses for this. Field name. And so what you do is expression or something, and then you can just, or wait, ident. Where is he using the paste at? Am I just blind? Make paste, macro rules, make a structure, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Ah, yeah. Creates retinue. Very cool. Oh, it's on the outermost coal? Oh, right. Jeez, golly. Blind. Interesting. Very cool, man. Very cool. All right. Going back. Right. Yeah, if we go into target release, you see the CBC right there. That's where it keeps the stuff at. 3.9 megabytes. Are you freaking kidding me? Hold on. Let me get me some stuff here. Tumble file. That's better. 274 kilobytes. Okay. All right. Okay, let's status. I don't know why I had to thumb through all that. Okay, so let's just get not get yeah, get add everything. Shouldn't be any reason why not to. Okay, get add. So get commit dash m updated Lexer. Oh, get status. Oh yeah, we did. Okay, all right. I didn't think it was gonna. Updated Lexer. Okay, get push. All right. So I pushed it as cowboy. I don't like that. I don't know how to fix that. Oh. Anyway, good daily codex, but it didn't push it as me. Get config username. It says cowboy, but it's not cowboy. Yeah, it like removes it whenever I put codex in there. Very frustrating. Okay, I'll do that later. I'll work on that later. Not part of this video. Anyway, all right. So, parser. So, we're going to work on somewhat of a Pratt parser. And we're going to try to get some parsing done. We're not going to really worry about, execution right now. We're just worried about can we parse some stuff, So, let's cd into crates. And let's do cargo, not new, init. If you do init, it doesn't put a .get file in there, but if you do cargo new, it puts a new, initializes a GitHub repository. And we want this to be called CB for C flat dash parse. and we want this to be a lib crate. Okay. Okay, so we'll do that. And we want to get this in here. So crates, CB parser, src, and currently it's just lib, so that's fine. All right, let's get rid of this and this, and let's say we want to parse a expr expression, right? Expression. Yeah, okay. Okay, cool. What do we want to parse? We want to, okay. We're going to need the the token thing, or the token thing. Oh gosh. Life is hard, isn't it? Crates. Words are hard. We don't want that in there. We want to get rid of this version number, put it as 1 because we are not at anywhere close to that. Okay, so we want cb dash lexer equals dot slash lexer. Oh, this needs to be path, right? I always forget. Okay, so that's probably okay. Oh, don't get out of that. Okay, and then back to here. And we can do CB Lexer, scanner, span, and token. Right? Right. So those are all put into play here. I guess we're going to do it like this. Struct parser. Not public. Let's not do that. Let's make it easy and do public function parser, or just parse. Yeah, we'll just do parse, and it's just going to take in a source, and then it's going to output a vector of exprs. Okay, and then this is going to be the lexer, which is going to be a scanner. And so this is going to be have to do this because it takes a freaking thingy mabobber. Okay, and drive. I don't think the parser needs to be debuggable or anything, actually. Yeah, I don't think the parser needs any of that junk. Okay. But we do need impl function new self. I'm kind of not even sure that I should do this. So this needs a lexer scanner. But we also need this to be peekable. Use std iter peekable. Oh, and just so we get rid of these errors to do. Okay. New. Oh gosh, what the heck am I? Parser. And then that. Sorry, I don't know what the hell I was thinking right there. And then this has to have some lifetimes there. What's wrong with? Oh, this needs to be of type peekable. So then. Oh, and EXPR. We don't have an expert. Okay, so enum EXPR, and we're gonna have atoms. The atoms will be like the lowest denominator of thing in here. So enum atom, and we'll just do int for now. So I32. Sure, why not? We can change that later. Okay, so this does need derive debug. Oh, dang it. Debug. We're not going to be able to we can clone it. And we're going to need to be able to partial equals, right? Yeah. Dang it. All right. Oh, and I can't ever remember how to do the display trait. Never. I never can. Ugh. Path. Tricked me. Alright. So this is what we need. Oh. And boop. That was delayed. Okay, so use std fmt. And this needs to be atom and match self and we're gonna do self int I there, and we're just gonna print the letter I out. That's all we're gonna do. Oh gosh. Okay. That should be all we need for that one. But we also want to do this with the EXPR too as well. As far as for atoms, we're just going to print the atom out. So that's going to be exactly the same. Okay. Private. Oh, okay, yeah. Public and public, because those are definitely going to have to be exposed to the compiler part, the code generation, or the type checker, whatever we expose next. Okay. All right. So this, we're going to want to do let EXPRs equal parse, and yeah. So we're just going to give it like an integer. Oh, that's not going to be like that. Okay. Right? I think so. And then for actually no, probably not that. Let EXPR equals EXPRs dot iter, and then this needs to be mute, and then assert EXPRs dot next, and that would be sum EXPRs atom at I could just do map to string dot could make a function here. Function into string, and we can just give the iterator, which would be mute impl iterator string, and then I dot next dot map t dot to string. I missed missed that after missed a period down there before map, and then dot unwrap or dot into implement iterator. Okay. Isn't I forget this? It's where iterator item equals expr. Yeah, something like that, maybe. Oh, yeah, item expr. Oh, just plus display, I think. Actually, now that I think about it. FMT display, right? Cannot find type I. Okay. I think I can just go back to how I had it, but I just need to say plus FMT display. Maybe? Oh, item equals. Yeah, there we go. Eventually we'll get there. And then here I can just do 1. Into string, and then I can give mute expr. Oh, is that gonna mess everything up? Probably. Mute. Cannot find exprs. Okay. Sweet. All right. So that should be it, right? And then, yeah. So here we're gonna have to make this let lexer equal scanner new, and this is gonna be scr, and then let parser equal parser new lexer dot peekable And now we're gonna need parser.iter. No, wait a second. We can't iterate that. Why can't we? We probably could make this into an iter. We won't do that right now though. Not the point. Let ex. We'll just vector. And then while let sum. How are we gonna check this? If we check, because we can't say next. I guess we can peek. Yeah, I can say I can peek it, right? Or could just do it in the parser function. And have that return some kind of error for that. Yeah, that might make the most sense. And we also need to make an error up here. Type, I would like to just make a result, but I don't think this is gonna work. And this needs to be parser errors. Parser error. It's gonna say something about recursive something or another, isn't it? Alright. What if we do std error? If you import result, refer to it directly. Alright. I guess I can't do that. So I have to call it something different. Yeah, you can't find it because it doesn't exist, buddy. Oh, and then we also, this needs to be box dine. Debug. Oh my gosh. Derive, debug, enum, parser error. And we're just gonna put nothing there for now because I don't have any errors to speak of. And this needs to oh wait, this is error, not std error, right? Error. Jeez. Words are hard, man. All right. So, I guess. If we do that, we're going to need to do parser.parse. And that's going to be able to return a error. Yeah, because we're gonna well, I guess because we could return, well, the parser could fail. If it fails, we don't want to just return an empty empty thing. So see result. And I guess we could just do that then. Yeah. So down here, and that doesn't need to be public. So parse. This doesn't need to take anything, does it? Okay. Whoops. Not sure what happened there. Finger hit the wrong button. Vec of EXPRs to do. Uh-oh. I knew this was going to happen. Yeah. I want it to crash hard if it... Okay. All right, good. Yep. Okay. Sorry. We want to do... Oh, gosh. No. Stop. Okay, thank you. Okay, so in this, let mute result equal vec. And then I guess we could just have something like a Boolean, something to check if there's the end. And if it is, okay, dot is end, and it is going to return true if it's end. So we don't want it to stop. So we're going to do that. Let e equals self dot. Program. That's what I did before, I think. Result dot push e here. And then we're going to say, okay, result. Okay, so is e and program are not a thing. We can easily remove that by is end. We don't need that, so bool. I don't know how we're going to do that just yet. Function program. Yeah, program will return a EXPR. All of them are going to return the EXPR, are going to return basically this. Okay, so getting to the Pratt parser in a second. So that would be function oh man, come on. Expression, mute self, C result, EXPR. Okay, to do. And we're going to call straight up expression right now in here. Okay, so is end. I guess that would be self dot lexer dot peak. And we're going to get a tuple. Okay, so if we do map and we say we want the token, and then we want to say is end of file on that token. and that's gonna return true or false. And then we can just say unwrap or false. I mean, that doesn't even need to be there, but we can just do that. We need this there. What's this? Cannot borrow, sell is mutable as is, not behind. Oh my gosh, this needs to be mutable. It's ridiculous. Everything's mutable. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. I can try to explain anything. Try to anyway, you know. I'm not the best programmer. It's just a hobby. Okay, but I take my hobbies very seriously. All right, so we have an expression. I don't know if we're going to get all of this parser done today, but we'll get a lot of it because we're getting 2 hours into this. Well, 2 hours into the stream. Probably not all that into the parser. Probably only 30 minutes into the parser. But that'd be all right. All right, so let's see. Expression. This is where it's going to get a little bit crazy, okay? A little crazy. Okay. No. Parser has derived from impl. 62. 62. Where are you at? Okay, expression. Great. That's what we wanted. All right, so we're going to have to get a left-hand side. If you don't want to learn about Pratt parsing, I'm going to give you a very good something to read off of for Rust anyway. Not Rust. Rust Pratt Parser. This guy right here. I basically read this 1,000 times, copied the code. The code for this thing is in the bottom. Just go to the repository. But I highly advise you to read through this and like type it all out and watch and like try to figure out what's going on. I did it 100 times before I got it, but let's go right there. YouTube description and I guess I didn't save that. No, I did. Okay, CVC Parser. Okay. Pratt Parser blog for Rust. It's awesome. Pratt Parser and Rust. That's a little bit shorter. All right. And this is the Pratt Parser if y'all want to look at it. Anyway, so that's what I'm going off of. Let me look at this again. And then he does another one. He does another Pratt Parser, but he does it without recursive calls, I believe. And it's a little over my head right now. Actually, I haven't read it since I've put my eyes and understood it. Okay, so he has this. Okay, so let's copy this part. All right, so ours is closed. Okay, so we're gonna need a minimum binding power, and we're gonna need a press. I don't know how to spell precedence. Press. Oh, there it is. Okay. That's what you have to do when you can't spell. Okay, so we're gonna make a precedence enum. And we'll just make it at the top here. Parser error, yeah, okay. Enum. Once I have it in my code, though, I can just, easily get the auto completion to help me. Okay, so the other thing I always forget precedence. It was okay. So crafting interpreters. That's another great book. I'll read now. Dude, I don't remember where. Oh my god, he's got 80 of these in here. I gotta find it at some point, right? He's got them all in order. Oh, here they are. Yeah. Okay, copy. GUW, yeah. GUW. Okay, and these are backwards. Assignment or primary is not the highest, is it? No. Call's pretty high. Urinary is pretty high. Function. And or equality compare term and factor. That's not right. Comparison. Assignment's pretty high, I thought. I don't know if all those matter though for us. Anyway. Yeah. Okay. So we're probably just going to comment those out. I don't even think we need a primary. I don't think we need that. I think it's just urinary and stuff. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay. Oh, yep. And see, he did Adam too. That's kind of why I did that. A lot of parsers. It's kind of like Adam is like the smallest thing that you can represent without doing any parsing for it. Not parsing, but evaluation, Okay, So this is gonna be, what is this? Oh, we don't care about printing stuff out. Okay, so XBR. If it is an atom, then refer to that. Okay. Self dot e expression. Parser precedence, none. And I think we need to consume this next thing. So self dot lexer dot next. Oh, yeah, that's what this was doing here. I think I'll just do lexer dot next, and we'll fix this in a little bit. Oh, I don't need lexer in there, just that. And this needs to be okay left hand side. And we don't need a mutate. And we can just say self.lexer. And these are ref op if op is equal to this. Then we do that. Like that, maybe? Okay. And then operator. Oh gosh. How am I going to do this? We will panic there for now, because we don't really care about that. Okay, this. Right? Right. Okay. This expects a sum. Right. Oh, dang it. We'll have to fix this to make it a little bit nicer. So we don't care about the span. And this is a token atom? No. This is a, so if it's an int, then we're gonna respond with an atom int. And so this is a dot parse unwrap. We're just gonna unwrap, and it's gonna crash if it doesn't do anything correctly. Why are you mad? Oh, yeah. Precedence, none. And we actually need to go up here to precedence, and we need to give it clone, copy, this, EQ, and partial order and order. Yeah. And I guess instead of bad token here, we could actually give it an error and just do parser error bad token, and change this to bad token. That way we can stop getting crap for that. And get rid of that for now. So we stop getting all these warnings. And match arms have incompatible types. You are so right. Oh. Box new. As ERR. Ugh. Oh. Cast into dine area. Oh, I don't have. I haven't even implemented that yet. Rust. Wherever. Okay, so you have to implement. This. Token, I guess. Got rid of it, and then I was like, I shouldn't have got rid of it. Anyway. STD error. Cannot find the error in this scope. Yep, there you go. Oh, yep, you're right. Display. Let's grab this. Oh. Display. Should have grabbed that. Okay, and then we should be able to do this. Display for parser error. Oh wait, yeah, we do need that. Okay. So is this a oh yeah, okay, it's fine. Alright. This, and we have token. I guess we could just do TNS. TS. And T and S. Just a question mark, and then this should be S dot start and S dot end. Like that, I think. Oh. Yeah. Don't know how I'm gonna do this. You can't make a static reference to this. Oh, dang it. Expected dine error found string. Wait, what? Wait, what? Ah, like that. Okay. Okay, so this doesn't work still. What if I just didn't call that now that I actually have it implemented? Will that just go to oh, yeah, I need oh. Yeah, it does need to be an option though. I think this would be fine. And then we can get rid of this. This. What are you trying to make? Hey, first time chat. Welcome. Thanks for asking a question. We're making a parser for a language. We're calling it C flat. Possibly. For now. Do. You can't return reference to function parameter self. Okay. So match over self. I feel like that's wrong. Oh, you only have to implement this description. You don't have to implement anything else. Because if you look at everything actually is already implemented, so you don't have to implement crap. Ah, clicked inside there. Ha! Suckers. Okay. All right. Sweet. Oh, wait. It's going to crash. Maybe. Failed. Why'd you fail? No freaking clue. So, let's look here. What do we got? We're parsing. We're parsing this. Is it because, will that actually complete, or is it something else that's messing up? Oh, is that working? Left is nothing, and we expected that. Okay, yeah. So it is, it is that. Okay. It's probably super simple, and I'm not seeing it, you know. Let's just see what this does. Shows it's an int. Shows everything's good, but then we get bad stuff. Why do we get bad stuff? Returns expr. Yep. Where's our parse at? So we getting that? Or should be pushing this up here? Did I do that right? Ah. No, that's right. It's peak. So at the very, very beginning. Oh, it's never gonna. I'm not giving into file anymore. So we just need to say unwrap or. So dot map. Don't care what it is. We're gonna say false. Not the end of the world. But if it is, then in the file, then we're gonna say true. That's the whole problem. I mean, I'm assuming that's the problem. I don't know. Yep, that was the problem. All right, so now we can check out numbers. Ooh, so cool. We should be able to do. That was really weird. Parentheses. How do you spell print? You know what? Precedence. Change precedence. Okay, so that's not going to really be a big deal right now. But we should still be able to get just a 1 there. Change precedence. Okay, cool. So we need some way to get the binding power, or the precedence of this. So enum precedence. Oh shoot, why not do that? Enum precedence. Okay, sorry. All right, so a couple Rust updates ago, they made this in the local scope. So try from is in the local scope now, which is nice. So we're gonna try from. I guess just token for implement try from token for not operator, precedence, right? Or should we go from a token, an operator to a precedence? I think we should go operator to precedence instead of precedent or token to precedence. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so enum op, and then try from op for precedence. All right. And I guess for now, we're just going to do the minus sign. Minus. And we need to do a display again. Yeah, let's do that underneath there. Oh gosh, so much typing. Minus sign. All right. And this, I think, has an error. So type error. And we're just going to do a static string here. And then fn try from, ooh, that's nice. Okay. And then match on self. And if it's anything else, we're going to give it an error. Not an operator. If it's this, then we will give it the okay. Self. Wait, is this precedence? This is precedence. Sorry, buddy, you need to be moved up here. Precedence, okay. Do operator precedence, okay. Precedence, urinary. Yeah. Oh man, how do you know which one it is though? Because like it could be factor, or not factor, term or urinary. Oh. I guess I'm doing this wrong. Because it's always going to return. It's always going to return term, because we're going to catch the minus sign or this way before. And everything has a precedent, so we could literally, we could have none, yeah. And if it has nothing, then we just give it none. Okay. So operator actually is what needs to have this. Yeah. My bad. Not a operator. Yeah, that's. I even knew what I was doing. I was tapped operator. All right. I'll be back in like 3 minutes. I gotta go take a whiz and get a drink. Be right back. All right. Sorry. I'm back. All right. So, um, what are we doing? All right. Okay. So, we have to do it for every token, right? Yes. And then for this, no, we needed a token. We just talked about that. For precedence, we don't need that anymore. Get rid of this. Self. Actually, just get rid of all that. And if we go to token, grab all of these. If we get end of file, obviously that's going to be a none. My eye itches. Okay, and then, well, let's just do this on all of them. Self. I guess we don't really need anything like that. That could be a self none. That would be a none as well, wouldn't it? None, none. Well, this depends. Ref B if B equals true, or if B equals false, then we want self primary. Yeah. Probably could just get rid of all that. All right. Jeez. All right, and then so we need to do these, the operators, and I guess plus and minus would be. Oh my gosh. Okay. That would be term. And that would be a factor, right? And then anything with that would be comparison. And that would also work for this and this, right? Because it all equates to a boolean. And then this would be assignment. That's it, really. Anything else is a none. I got self here. Token. Token. Oh, and this is there. Forget my syntax. Okay. Oh, this needs to be dot as string, or won't like it. Okay. Okay, and then down here for try, that should be it. Minus, not urinary. And then this is a token. what's weird, because we're going to have to change that to into a string. And I guess it would be an error if it was anything but an operator, wouldn't it? So I guess instead of that, we need to be token op ref op. And then if we do another try from, and then we do anything else, well, we already got that. Okay. And I guess this would probably be do what we need, and str. Oh, this needs to be value, not dang it. Okay. Self minus, just to get this off my back here, value. And then this would be minus. Oh. Some of the easiest stuff, and I just, like, forget. And this would be, oh wait, like that. What's the problem here? Expected string but found. Oh, what if we do this? Try. There we go. Everything good? Everything's good. What's this about? I think that's old error. Okay. Non-exhaustive pattern. Oh, anything else? Self, none. Okay, so we're going to not care about that right now, because we don't want to have the annoying stuff. Wonder what that's about. And this is never used at the Momo, so we'll get rid of that. And we'll see what kind of errors we get here. I feel like we're going to get a few. No, we're all good. Cool. All right. I really need to update my NeoVim config file. I'm using like 0.4 configurations for like 8, whatever I have. So yeah. All right. Let's make another here. And we should get this. We got to go up to our expressions here and do urinary. And we're going to have an operator and a box self. And for urinary, we're going to have the operator and the expression. EXPR, and operator and EXPR. Don't tell me. You don't have it ready for that. Operator can't be applied. Oh gosh. Where you at? Enum operator. Okay, so derive, debug, clone, copy, partial, EQ. That should be enough. All right. And then down here, function expression. This part, not sure why there's an error there. I think that's wrong. Okay. So we're going to get the operator. And we're going to get op from op. Yeah, maybe we just put everything in front. I'm just thinking to myself here. Expression. Binding power. Binding power. Yeah, that's probably what we need. Okay, so I'm not doing a very good job of explaining this. I know. I'm having a hard time myself. EXPR urinary needs the operator. Oh yeah, let binding power equals precedence. Actually, it should be none, right? Oh yeah, it's got to be urinary. So we could just put that in here actually. Cuz that's going to be that's it. And then right hand side. And this needs to be box. And we can return that, right? Why is that? No. Oh. Expected. Oh, and we need this. Like that. Mismatch type. Expected ops of found struct string. Oh. Okay. What is this? Mismatch types. Expected op. Oh. Need a span here and that. Okay. Can't leak private data. Oh, right. What's wrong here? Oh. Urinary. Okay, so enum op needs to be public. Sweet. All right, let's get binaries going. I'm probably gonna have to call it there. I've been getting pretty tired. Okay, so urinary binary. Why is all this got these stupid errors here? But there's syntax. Expected bang. Yep, you're an idiot. Oh, what's going on? Let's just restart it. Alright. Yeah, see, I'm using COC and it's just old and probably not kept up, and I'm just lazy. I haven't updated. Okay, so binary, and we're gonna have an operator and a box self. Oops. Box self. And when we do that, we're going to have the operator, and this is going to be left-hand side, and then this is going to be the right-hand side. And this is going to be left-hand side, right-hand side. Should be good. Oh. Sweet. Left hand side. There we go. Alright. So, the next thing to do in this expression is the loop part. And this is where we're going to get the binding power of the current token. So let yeah, so let some token equals self.lexer.next. Break. And then we're going to do precedence. Try from. Actually, that's from, isn't it? Precedence is from token. We have to clone it here. We probably should have borrowed it. Maybe we'll fix that in a minute. If binding power is less than. No. If binding power is greater than. No. I don't remember. Go forward, go forward, go forward. All right. Right here, if okay, it's got to be less than the minimum. Less than the minimum binding power. Break. And okay, what's the problem here? Oh. Helps if you actually do the right actual syntax. Okay, so we're gonna match on the binding power. And if we get a precedence binary, right? Wait. Term. Yeah, if we get precedence term or precedence factor, those are binary operations. So we just need to get the right hand side of the thing, self dot exp expression, and then binding power goes there, and then we need to do we also need the operator, don't we? That's try, right? Try from, or is that just operator? No, that's try from. Yeah. So try from that. And so here we're going to say left hand side equals expr binary. We're going to give it the operator. We're going to give it a box left hand side and a box right hand side. What's wrong here? Mismatch type. Oh yeah, okay. So anything else we're not going to do anything on, I guess. Oh, And then we gotta make this mutable now. So now we should be able to do binary stuff, maybe, if I didn't screw it up. +1, which is gonna fail, obviously, because we don't have plus signs in there. And then this is gonna should be +1. Yeah. Okay. And operator enum operator, we need a plus sign. Plus and plush. Okay. I don't know why I said it like that. This like this. And plus. All right. Interesting. Change precedence failed now. And I know why. I know why. It's because we're doing this. So what we need to do here is match. And if it's an okay, then just return the okay. But if it's an error of any sort, we want to break. No? Yes. Do 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 do. Sweet. We got it. Now there's probably gonna be a bunch of stuff we're gonna have to modify and whatnot to get everything else working. But for now, we got precedence working for things. If we do 1 + 2 times 3, we should get 1. We should get this. Obviously, that's not going to work because we need to do mole. And let's go ahead and do divide too. Oh, dang it. Okay. And multiply and divide. Should be all we need to do. Unless I'm missing something. I don't think that's... I think that's as easy as that, is adding stuff. Did I put a minus sign there? I screwed up. Minus. Oh. Maybe. What's going on there? I think maybe we need to do if op equals minus here. I don't really know why we'd have to do that, but because it seems like now it's just going to get a bad token error. Why is it giving it a minus? There's not even a minus in here. Oh, I know what's going on. I know exactly what's going on. That doesn't need to be there. So enum, it's printing out the wrong thing. See? Oh, maybe not. Oh. Yeah, it's fine now. Pretty easy fix. Sweet. So pretty soon we will be able to have we can do if statements and stuff. It's gonna be awesome. All right, 3 hours stream. That's probably an hour long parsing video, 2 videos. Hopefully I can get these out soon. All right, you have an excellent day. Thanks for watching, and maybe we get some more stuff done next time. Later.